Introduction. Gunjan was reading a book on Gandhiji. Gandhiji started the Sabarmati Ashram near Sabarmati River in Ahmedabad. Gandhiji worked for the betterment of Harijans. He worked to remove untouchability from the society. Gunjan read in the book that in olden days, Harijans had to do cleaning of toilets and other areas. In this lesson, you will learn about people involved in cleaning. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to discuss people related to cleaning work, discuss features of lifestyle of cleaners, explain dignity towards cleaners and their work. People who do cleaning. You must have seen people cleaning manholes, collecting garbage or sweeping the roads. The people who have to do this work feel it very difficult, dirty, hard and laborious. People need to do this work as they are uneducated and poor. Are they important? The people who clean are important. If no one will work, then there will be heaps of garbage and dirt. There will be lots of insects like mosquitoes and flies that will spread disease. Dignity towards cleaner. People generally do not behave properly with the people who clean the toilets and drains. They consider them as untouchables and those belonging to a low community. The government has passed many rules in misbehaving with these people is punishable by law. Government has also reserved many seats for these people in educational institutions and government jobs. How can you help? You must have seen people cleaning your school. They have to clean the toilets, rooms and the school grounds. You too can help in this cleaning work by keeping your classroom clean. If any waste papers or any other wastes are lying here and there, you can collect them and throw them in the dustbin. You also keep your benches and chairs clean. Other professions. People can work as teacher, doctor, computer professional, artist or business person. You should study hard and get a challenging job. If you want to achieve a good name and respect in the society, you should earn a good income and live a happy life. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. People cleaning manholes, collecting garbage or sweeping the roads do very difficult, dirty, hard and laborious work. Government has passed many rules for upliftment of people who clean. People can work as teacher, doctor, computer, professional, artist or business person.